Lockout is the most effective procedure used to prevent energy sources from becoming hazardous to a worker's health and safety. The key to lockout is neutralizing or stopping all energies and equipment. Energy possesses the potential to cause serious harm to humans and serious damage to machines. In fact, every day, many people at work are injured and even killed by the failure to control certain energy sources. This training video has been created to remind you about or introduce you to Lockout Tagout. This procedure is extremely crucial in preventing accidents caused by hazardous energy sources in the workplace. Lois did not lock out the dough mixer before she began cleaning it. While Lois was inside the mixer, her coworker Rakesh came along to sweep the bakery floor. Rakesh heard Lois's screams and tried to turn the machine off, but he was too late. Lois was pronounced dead on the scene. By learning and performing lockout-tagout procedures, you will not only be controlling hazardous energy, you will be preventing accidents and saving lives.